Top 10 Fastest Cars in the World 2025.
Number 10. Ferrari SF90 Stradale, 340 kilometers per hour.
Ferrari's perfect model that combines technology with passion for speed. SF90 Stradale. This hybrid supercar is equipped with a system that produces a total of 1,000 horsepower. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine is accompanied by 3 electric motors. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds and has a maximum speed of 340 kilometers per hour. Its futuristic cockpit, F1-style digital display, and touch-sensitive steering wheel give the driver the feeling of a space shuttle. Its aerodynamic lines are not only aesthetic, but also keep downforce at maximum. Priced at approximately $525,000, this beast is Ferrari's red door to the electric future. The SF90 combines the classic Ferrari roar with modern silence, managing to be a phenomenon both on the track and in the city.
Number 9. McLaren Speedtail, 403 kilometers an hour.
McLaren's answer to the art of speed, the Speedtail. This hypercar reaches a speed of 403 kilometers per hour with its 1,050 horsepower hybrid engine. Acceleration time from 0 to 300 kilometers per hour is only 13 seconds. Its design is fluid, feather-light, and extremely aerodynamic. The center driver's seat is a reference to F1, while the interior is minimalist yet futuristic. The car's carbon fiber body and active suspension adapt every movement to the wind. Priced at around $2.2 million, the Speedtail is also special in terms of its production number. Only 106 were produced. Each one is collectible, each one is timeless.
Number 8. Rimac Nevera, 412 kilometers per hour.
Introducing the electric revolution, Rimac Nevera. Croatian manufacturer Rimac has managed to produce 1,440 horsepower with 4 electric motors in this model. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 1.85 seconds. Maximum speed, 412 kilometers per hour. Don't be fooled by its silence. Nevera has a performance that leaves giants like Bugatti and Koenigsegg behind. While it provides separate power to each wheel with its advanced torque vectoring system, it provides both lightness and safety with its carbon fiber monocoque chassis. Its price is around $2.1 million. Its interior design is extremely digital, while its exterior bears the lines of the future. Rimac Nevera proves that electric cars are not only environmentally friendly, but also the fastest.
Number 7. Bugatti Veyron Supersport, 431 kilometers per hour. The legend that started the supercar era, Bugatti Veyron Supersport. It produces 1,200 horsepower with its 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds. Maximum speed, 431 kilometers per hour. In 2010, it received the title of the world's fastest production vehicle. This is not just an engineering achievement, it is a work of art. Its interior is adorned with titanium details, and its exterior is shaped like an aerodynamic champion. Priced at around $2 million, the Veyron is the inspiration for all today's speed record holders. It was born where luxury and speed collided. Number 6. Hennessy Venom GT, 435 kilometers per hour.
Will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills, because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win. And the others do.
Number 5. Koenigsegg Agera RS, 447 kilometers per hour. The Speed Manifesto of Swedish Engineering, Koenigsegg Agera RS. In 2017, it took the title of the world's fastest car and dethroned Bugatti. It produces 1,360 horsepower with its 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds and reaches a maximum speed of 447 kilometers per hour. The Agera RS stands out with its incredible balance, not only in straight lines, but also in corners and on the track. With its carbon fiber body, active aerodynamics, and race-focused suspension, it offers speed enthusiasts an experience that is a marvel of engineering. Its price is around $2.5 million, and its production is limited to only 25 units. This vehicle is a symbol of Sweden's worldwide claim to speed. Number 4. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, 490 kilometers per hour. Here is a speed legend that has gone down in history. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. In 2019, it became the first production car to pass the 300 mile per hour barrier by reaching a speed of 490 kilometers per hour. The 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine at its heart produces a full 1,600 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.4 seconds. Thanks to its long body, long tail, and improved aerodynamic structure, it provides excellent stability even at this speed. The cabin interior blends Bugatti's classic luxury with technology. It is a work of art with its combination of leather, carbon fiber, and titanium. Priced at $3.9 million, only 30 units were produced. This model once again took Bugatti's engineering boundaries and prestige to the top. Number 3. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, 531 kilometers per hour.
The model that Koenigsegg has been pushing the speed limits forever. Jesko Absolute. Theoretically, it can reach a speed of 531 kilometers per hour. Engine, 5-liter twin-turbo V8, and its power is exactly 1,600 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, 2.6 seconds. Named after Christian Koenigsegg's father, this model is an emotional and technological legend. It is equipped with an ultra-low drag coefficient, 0.278 Coulthard, active aerodynamic structures, and a suspension system derived from racing. Koenigsegg said, "We won't make anything faster with this vehicle." Its price is $3.4 million, and its production is limited to 125 units. Jesko Absolute represents the pinnacle of the hypercar era. Number 2. Hennessy Venom F5, 532 kilometers per hour. A hyper machine with hurricane power, Hennessy Venom F5. It takes its name from the F5 category, the most destructive level of hurricanes. Its 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine produces exactly 1,817 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.0 seconds. Theoretical maximum speed, 532 kilometers per hour. The vehicle, which has a completely carbon fiber body, weighs only 1,360 kilograms. This provides an incredible power-to-weight ratio. Its interior design is race-oriented, while its exterior design resembles a space shuttle. Its price is approximately $3 million, and its production is limited to 24 units. The Venom F5 is the point where American engineering meets absolute power. Number 1. The fastest car in the world, SSC Tuatara, 532.9 kilometers per hour. And the world's fastest car, SSC Tuatara. It reached a speed of 532.9 kilometers per hour in a test conducted in the Nevada desert in 2022. Its 5.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine produces 1,750 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds. Its design resembles a fighter jet. Every detail is optimized for aerodynamic efficiency. It provides perfect balance at speed thanks to the carbon fiber chassis, active suspension, and special software-supported control systems. Its price is around $2 million, and only 100 units will be produced. The SSC Tuatara didn't just break speed records, it rewrote the definition of a supercar.